Yes, sir.
Uh,
I really appreciate.
but I don't know why you came into this mode of argument. Like
I'm not
you are
arguing.
not teaching any real time. This is not at all helpful to me, right?
Showing.
The statements that you make, it makes an unmatured like statements. Like, see, Mukesh, why? Because
I really sorry, sir. If you feel
see,
like that, I have argued, but
really
my
like
intention is not that.
unmatured like statements
No,
that
it's not my intention, sir. My intention is only if I devoted 2 months or 3 months, then
uh,
I should make something good, and I can get into this.
see, if you
Right.
make anything good and you can handle that good, that is our achievement, not your achievement, right?
Yes,
That means
I really.
we delivered something that you can handle.
Yes,
But
yes,
it's not like everything that you need. I have to
but
explain it
but
here,
but sir,
right?
one point is
You
missing. Like if we have some doubt, then at least you have, and you can't say like, okay, it's very simple, it's very easy. At least you
yes,
have to
yes.
show like
See,
at least show.
what see until or anybody tells you, that means actually, see, Mukesh, one point you observe here, if you are unable to think by yourself about anything, so handling it, see, every example we cannot show here in the class. Am I clear?
Yes.
Right?
Right.
I cannot show every point that you need for your requirement, right? We universally discuss about the topics that are very commonly used. Based on that, only other concepts are utilized in the real world environment.
Yes, but sir.
Nothing will be anything outside this context. See, Mukesh, this is hundreds of batches we handled related to Angular for very expert people.
Right.
I personally work for HP Corporate.
Right.
I work for personally HP Corporate. I'm a freelancer for HP.
Yes, sir. Yes.
We train the developers in HP for certifications.
Right.
My role is train the trainers. We train the trainers. Trainers will train the developers.
Sir, that's why I joined your course, because I saw some videos on YouTube.
The point here is, so we can tell you related to up to certain level.
Right.
Everything, if you want, I'm okay. I will explain if you want every point. Now you make a note of everything what you need. If condition, else statements, for loop, in the for loop, if conditions, how to write everything. I am ready to deliver you. Okay. If you are in a situation that you are unable to handle that, you let me know. I will explain everything, even a simple if condition also. Okay.
Definitely, sir. I will.
Now, I will not say that it is simple now to you. Okay.
Right. Thank you.
I will explain everything to you. Right.
Yes.
Right.
That would
Just
really help you.
A little bit be matured, right? Like, so, Mukesh, because your type of argument is simply giving a statement that you are not teaching anything.
Sir, I tried to ask many times, and you said this question. Then it's really, I really get disappointed.
What do you think? This is not possible by yourself to handle this issue?
It's possible, but if you can give a guidance like you told me, now I can, implement this concept on many other things. Like we can do it. But if you can't show, then it's really difficult to think about, and I have to do Google and think.
I have already given you several examples, Mukesh. Different concept related examples I given to you. Right. I given you several tasks to try also, right?
Yes, sir. I am working. I yesterday shown an example that I'm really working on this. I'm not just listening to your class. I'm just working, and I face this issue. That's why I asked. That's
just don't put a statement that you are not teaching everything that I need, right?
No, it's like, sir, I ask because if it's not in the example, then I think it's missing. At least
obviously, in that case, you need whatever you need it as an example. Am I right? No, obviously, whatever you need it as an example. Then you will feel like, okay, you learned it.
Yes, definitely, sir. If you can cover, then it's really helpful. I think no one can deny in the classroom. I think
then see, for everyone, there will be a certain requirement.
Yes, sir.
Right? Everyone will come with a certain requirement. he says that in my example is this, my example is that, my example is that. Do you think that we can discuss every example that you need?
No, example are the same. I think, sir, if you can cover these concepts.
That's the point now. One universal concept, one universal example I explained you. Based on that, we can handle others also, right?
Yes.
Hope you are a little bit, at least 1% satisfied.
Yes, sir. Definitely, I am satisfied, and
even if you have any related anything, you can ping me, no problem, right?
Right. Definitely.
Yes, Hemant.
Sir, yesterday I facing with this font or some issue. That is, I want to show you. It's not coming in my project. Can I show my screens?
Okay. You can share the screen.
Yes, sir. Sir, I added this font here. Can you see my screen, sir? See, I add this font or some for this all subfolders. I copied here in node module. But when I going to use particular in my project,
where you are importing it, show me. Importing styles, in styles you imported it.
No, sir. I only.
Then how it will work? You have to import that.
Okay, sir. Only, sir, CSS folder. That all.css only to import.
That you have to import here, na?
Okay.
You imported only Bootstrap all. Na? Font also need to be imported here. Na?
Yes.
Understood?
Okay. We need to import also.
Every CSS where that you want to use.
Yes. We need to import
globally, na? Global.
Yeah, only CSS style.css.
All.css.
Yes.
Then it will work.
All.css. Okay, sir. And one thing, sir, in routing, when I am using here, this is the home. Only I using only home. Here I make it here. Here I use home dot component. I importing, but my problem is that if I delete this one and use this home component here, that is also working.
You added from where? Where is the location here? Source main root is where? Which one is in the startup? App component.
App component.html. I using the router outlet here.
Why you are using router outlet there? That is just only the startup component. Where is your app module? Show me app module.ts. In that startup is home component, na?
Yes.
App component. Okay. App component, it is the startup. Then in app component, you have to add some menu, na? Navigation. Router outlet means only output will come, na?
Yes, sir.
Output of, you need to create some navigation there, right? There is no navigation created.
That means, sir, we need to some use navigation here, router outlet.
Navigation is required, na? Then how the output comes here? Where is your routing module? Show the routing module. In that only one component you have added.
Yes, sir. Only one.
Right?
Yes.
and you have some data in that